Hi viewers, today's topic is some problem of indefinite integration. On previous topic, we discussed about formulas of indefinite integration which will come by antiderivatives. The first formula is integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Now, problem is how to find the integration of sin square x dx. Sin square x dx, by trigonometry we know that sin square x dx is half 2 sin square x dx. This is equal to half 1 minus cos 2x dx, half 1 dx integration is x, cos 2x dx is sin 2x by 2 plus c. Answer. Next problem is how to integrate sin qx dx. As we know from trigonometry, sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx, or after simplification sin qx equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Sin qx, now this is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 dx. This is equal to sin x integration is minus cos x, c coefficient, and sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3 plus c. This is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 cos x plus cos 3x by 3 plus c. Answer. Number 3. Integration of sin 4x dx. As we know that sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 sin square x whole square dx. This equal to 1 minus 2 cos 2x a minus b whole square, that is equal to plus cos square 2x by 4 dx. Now again this equal to 1 by 4 integration 1 minus 2 cos 2x, again cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2 into 2x by 2 whole dx. This equal to 1 by 4 2 minus 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x whole by 2. This is integration dx. This equal to 1 by 8 integration 2 plus 1 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx. Question number 4. Integration. Find the value of the integration I equal to a plus b sin x power n cos x dx. Case 1. When n minus 1, let a plus b sin x equal to t, show that b cos x dx equal to dt. Therefore, I equal to t to the power n dt by b equal to t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into b plus c. This equal to a plus b sin x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into b plus c. Answer. Case 2. When n equal to minus 1, then I equal to t to the power minus 1 dt by b equal to 1 by b log mod t plus c. This equal to 1 by b answer. Question number 5. Find the integration of sine 3x cos 2x dx. As we know from trigonometry, 2 sine a cos b equal to sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So this becomes half into 2 sine 3x cos 2x dx. This is equal to half integration sine sum of the angle 3x plus 2x plus sine 3x minus 2x dx. This is equal to half sine 5x plus sine x dx. Now integration of sine 5x equal to minus cos 5x by 5 minus cos x plus c. This is equal to minus half cos 5x by 5 plus cos x plus c. Answer. Find the integration of root 1 by root under 1 minus sin x dx. This is equal to 1 plus cos 90 plus x dx. From trigonometry, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. This is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. This is equal to 1 by root 2 cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. This equal to 1 by root 2 sec pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. This is equal to 2 by root 2 log tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 plus x by 2 by 2 plus c. This equal to root 2 log tan pi by 4 plus pi by 8 plus x by 4 plus c. This is equal to root 2 log tan this 3 pi by 8 plus x by 4 plus c, the absolute value for the log. Answer. Number 8. Find the integration of tan x by a plus b tan square x dx. This is equal to tan x equal to sin x by cos x, a plus b sin square x by cos square x dx. This is equal to sin x by cos x, a cos square x plus b sin square x by cos square x dx. This is equal to sin x cos x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Now let a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to t. Show that a 2 cos x minus sin x plus b 2 sin x cos x dx equal to dt, or sin x cos x dx equal to dt by 2b minus 2a. Now this is equal to dt by 2b minus 2a by t. So 2b minus a log mod t plus c. This is equal to 1 by 2 b minus a log mod a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. Answer. Question number 9. Find the integral value of 5 to the power 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x dx. Let 5 to the power 5 to the power x equal to t, taking log both sides, taking log base e both sides, log 5 to the power 5 to the power x base e equal to log t, or 5 to the power x log 5 base e equal to log t, so that 5 to the power x into log 5 base e into dx log 5 base e log t differentiation 1 by t dt. Now 5 to the power x dx equal to dt by t into log 5 base e whole square, and this value, as we assume that 5 to the power 5 to the power x equal to t and 5 to the power x dx equal to dt by t log 5 base e whole square. T cancel. Integration of t is t by log 5 base e whole square plus c, and t is 5 to the power 5 to the power x by log 5 base e whole square plus c. Answer. Question number 10. Integrate cos x by sin x plus root sin x dx. This is equal to cos x, taking root sin x as common, this becomes root sin x plus 1 dx. Let root sin x plus 1 equal to t, so that 1 by root 2 sin x cos x dx, 1 is 0, that is dt, or cos x by root sin x dx equal to 2 dt. Put this value in this integration. This is equal to cos x by root sin x dx equal to 2 dt. Root sin x plus 1 equal to t, 2 log mod t plus c, 2 log root sin x plus 1 plus c. This is equal to 2 log root sin x plus 1 plus c. Since root sin x is absolute value of sin x is 0 to 1, so absolute value of root sin x plus 1 is always positive, so first bracket is used. Answer. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to turn on bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching Math Tutorials for All. For any suggestion, please do comment on the video.